So today we're going to tell you how to calibrate your planter and actually do the calibration process. Right now this planter is set up for planting corn, and we're about to plant about 5 or 6 acres of soybeans, so we're going to have to calibrate it back to the amount of pounds an acre we want, and we're going to shoot for 70-75 pounds an acre on this particular plot. By doing so, we're going to use not only this chart, but there is a chart on the back that's a quick start guide, and on the quick start guide for 100 pounds an acre we have a 1/2 inch plate, controller motor at 5, and I'm going to run 4 miles an hour, and they want plate position 4. So I went to the cow page, it's about the same size seed, and it's 70 pounds an acre. They have you suggested at 3 2/3 on the plate position. So starting out, that's what we are going to try right now. I'm going to adjust your plates, which are right here. You're going to use the tool that came with your planter from First Products, which is conveniently stores right here. You're going to use it. You're going to loosen both nuts, which I've already loosened this nut actually, and you're going to loosen this one just a little bit, just so it moves. And I already have 1/2 inch plates in my planter. We are going to bump it back to the 3 2/3. So 3 1/3 2/3, that's a 4. So we're gonna go about right here. And we're gonna run the calibration on that. And let me tighten this up real quick. Now what we're looking for, we're going to use this chart with that quick start. So remember, we had the cow piece suggested 3 2/3 plate position, controller motor 5 at 4 miles per hour, 70 pounds, and the soybeans were 100 pounds at plate position 4. So we're at 3 2/3. I'm going to try to use this new peas suggestion because it's close to the same seed size. So we're going 4 miles an hour. You just go over your chart at 70 pounds an acre. You run your calibration for a minute and you should collect 4.77 pounds of seed, and that'll put you right at 70 pounds an acre at 4 miles an hour. So what you do is you put your little tray that comes with it, your seed collector. You're gonna start your seeder in a timer and run it for a minute and cut it off at a minute. You're gonna weigh the seed in your tray, and that seed, ideally for us, should be 4 1/4 pounds, and that'll put us at 70 pounds an acre. So we already got the beans in there. Get my stopwatch out, and we are going to run this for a minute. Alright, so now we got the tray full, ran on a minute, and now we got to weigh the seed and hope for that 4.24 pounds. Looking for 68 ounces. Or 4.24. Look at that, almost right on the money. So we're good to go. 4 miles an hour puts us at 75 pounds an acre, or 70 pounds an acre.
Word, get to planting.